All right, guys, our subscribers have spoken and we've listened. Today we go outside the box, literally, and we do our first Wantable unboxing. And guys, it starts right now. Hi guys, Cindy is Supposedly Chic, and today we are unboxing Wantable for the first time here at Chic headquarters. As we mentioned in the intro, we've been really seeing a lot of comments in the community, so guys, thanks for that. And a lot of folks were talking about different clothing subscriptions. Try this one, try that one. So Wantable was one that came up multiple times. I took a look online, signed up, filled out my profile, and boom, guys, here we are with our first box to review. Wantable, so far from my sort of experience with it, feels like it is a midpoint between Trunk Club and Stitch Fix for a couple of reasons. Stitch Fix sends you 5 pieces, Trunk Club sends you 10. We got 7 with Wantable. Stitch Fix, you have no idea what the pieces in your fix are until they show up on your doorstep. Trunk Club, you actually preview your entire trunk before it comes. Wantable is sort of again in the middle. Wantable has a section where you go in and you actually say send, don't send, don't send, don't send, and it's actually a very long list. It can be up to 100 different items. What I think I did in error was that I only went through like 10 or 20 of them, so I wasn't surprised by all these items were items I already looked at. So I think for future fixes, for future Wantables, what I will do is do a much longer list, like 20 items or 30 items, so then there's a whole mix of products for them to send to me, and I can kind of be surprised, because we've talked about the fact that it is fun to unbox and be surprised, because otherwise it almost feels like what I did was buy from an online site like a Kohl's.com and Macy's.com, and I got exactly what I ordered. So that's not why I do these subscriptions. I like to sort of have my stylist assist in coming up with my perfect subscription. So on the Wantable piece, I'm kind of excited because I got 3 pairs of pants, I got 3 tops, and I got a pair of earrings. So for me, it feels like there is a lot of opportunity for mixing, creating multiple outfits out of just a small number of pieces. So that's kind of cool and excites me. Real quickly, we're going to review what we got from Wantable, and then I'm going to try on a few of the outfits, see what I can mix up together with all of these pieces, and then we will kind of do a thumbs up, thumbs down, and get your input on what you think works and what doesn't work, and if you think Wantable is a valuable subscription to add to our unboxing collection. The first ones that we're going to talk about are the shirts. I kind of like the fact that we went everywhere from a very casual tee to a very intricate blouse. The first item we're going to talk about is the Roll Tab Crewneck Tee in Gray by Wantable. It has a high-low silhouette, so it's a little longer in the back. It has rolled sleeves, and it's just such a great sort of versatile neutral color. I feel like I could pair it with almost anything I have in my closet. The next item is the sleeveless fringe top in white, also by Wantable. Guys, this is so cute, and it's so basic without being basic. I just imagine what I could put this together with. And again, I could put together all 3 pairs of the pants that we got. And it's also really lightweight, but I kind of like the fact that it's got a little bit of bling with the fringe, but not too much. The third item is, as you guys always know, I always ask for pops of color, and this is definitely a pop of color. This is the Peasant Top in Coral, also by Wantable. So yes, guys, every shirt that I got is a Wantable brand. So it is got crochet and fringe trim, and it has a tie in the front, and it is very lightweight, so we'll be able to kind of go from season to season with it. I really like that color, guys. It's so pretty. So those are our 3 tops, and then the cool thing that they did with me with the pants is they sent me everything from a casual pair of jeans to kind of a dressy pair of chinos that I can wear for work. So that excites me too, because now I've got some versatility in what I choose to wear every day. So we're going to start with the jeans. These are the Curly Ankle Skinny in Moscow Wash. These are Articles of Society. They have a little bit of a cropped leg, so they're going to be a little higher above the ankle. Nothing on the pockets, which I really love. And I just like them, guys. They're just a really great basic pair of jeans, so let's hope that they look good on. Next item is the Straight Leg Chino, and again, guys, this is just one of those pairs of pants that is so perfect for me for work because it's kind of versatile. Again, they are a little bit of a shorter leg, so they'll look really cute with a pair of pumps and like a nice white blouse. They've got the button pockets on the back, And the material just feels really nice and soft. And then we have a little bit of funkiness here, guys. These are the Adriana Ankle Skitty Zip. And they call it slate, but it's really more of like a pale blue. And I don't have any color jeans except white. I've got jean, black, white. So, cool little zippers on the outside of the pant legs. They are a little bit of a crop. And I just kind of like this pale color blue. So we will see what we can do with this. I'm just kind of thinking this could go really well with like this top right here. If I wanted to dress it down a little bit, I probably could throw the gray tee on with it. So lots of different options in here. The last item, guys, I got was some jewelry. And it comes in a very nice suede, a little wantable pouch. And these are called Endless Extra Large Hoops in Gold Vermeil. And they're not kidding when they say extra large hoops, you guys. These are, for me, pretty big. So I'm going to have them on with all the outfits just so you can see them. One thing about hoops, and I'm going to be really honest with you, back in my younger days, big heavy earrings were sort of the thing. So my cute little earring holes have turned into kind of like earring slits. So I don't wear things that show those slits very often, so we'll see if these are a keeper. Also, we'll talk about the price point on all of this stuff in a little bit. And as you know, that's always a deciding factor on whether we keep something or we send it back. With Wantable, just like with Stitch Fix and just like with Trunk Club, if you keep any of the items, they waive your styling fee. And Wantable, like Stitch Fix, offers a discount if you get all of their pieces. So guys, give me 1 second. I'm going to throw together our first outfit and we will come back and talk about thumbs up, thumbs down, see what we like. Alright guys, so here is outfit number 1. We have 3 pieces. We have the extra large gold hoops, we have the roll tab crew neck top from Wantable, and we have the ankle jeans from Articles of Society. Really comfortable outfit, guys. Really casual outfit. I really like, again, the ankle cut of these jeans. I feel a little Audrey Hepburnish the way that it sort of stops just shy of the ankle. They're very comfortable. They're stretch. Again, as we talked about, there's nothing on the pockets, so I like that. Nothing, you know, distracting. The top, honestly, is quite simply a staple piece for any wardrobe. It's really light and comfortable. It stretches and moves really well. And it's just a great neutral color, so you could, you know, pair it with jeans, pair it with some shorts. With the length and the sort of high-low silhouette, you can even pair it with leggings. So this outfit is definitely for me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. We are going to switch outfits and come back in just a moment with outfit number 2. Alright, so here's outfit number 2. It is the wearable white fringe tank and the Meritage gray ankle chinos. I paired it with some black heels because that's how I would normally wear it for work. Again, I really like this look. The top I like because there's a little bit of eye-catchiness, but not over the top. It's just a nice sort of subtle bling. The pants, I like the cut of the leg. I like this got sort of the slanted pockets and then it has no pockets in the back. Lots of different ways to sort of put these outfits together, but so far, guys, I'm liking both of the outfits that we've done. We have one last outfit to try on, and when we're done with the outfits, I am going to spend just a minute or two talking about these earrings because I'm very intrigued with the hinge mechanism of the earrings, but I'm also a little concerned about the price point. So we'll talk about that when we're done doing the outfits. Give me 1 second, and I will come back with outfit number 3. Alright, sidebar guys, we have a slight adjustment to outfit number 3, and that's because these Adriana cute little zipper pants from Maddie, I think, are so tight. Like you don't want to see the struggle to get these on, but I just wanted you to see that the potential is cute, but I would be dying if I wore these for longer than like 5 minutes. So let's look at outfit number 3, modified. Alright guys, so here is modified outfit number 3. We have the Articles of Society jeans paired with the Wantable coral top. And guys, I really wanted to like this top. I like the color. I like the fact that it's light. It's a little the fit, I think, is what's not right for me. The shoulders feel a little bit boxy. I think, quite honestly, for me, the cut right here is a little too short. I like them just a little bit longer, like kind of like that. And my biggest issue is when I move my arms forward, it gets very tight through the back. I don't like clothes that restrict my range of motion. So guys, unfortunately this top, even though it was probably the really only item that we had that had any kind of color in it, is going back. So if we want to look at the original outfit 3, which was the coral top and the Adriana zipper pants, they're both thumbs down, they're both going back. So give me 1 second, gonna change out of this stuff, sit down and talk to you about details and spend a little bit of time talking about these very unique earrings. Alright guys, we're going to take a minute and talk a little bit about the gold hoop earrings. They're made by Argento Vivo. They are the extra large gold hoop. And what I wanted to show you was this sort of breakaway hinge. When you pull them out, this hinge actually moves back out of the way. Where I think it's a good idea is if you're like me and you go to put your fingers through your hair and you yank your hoop earring out, it almost is like it would break away and fall off without breaking the earring or hurting your earlobes. The other cool thing, and it takes a second for me to get this in here, but once you get the stem, I guess, into the tube, it pushes in pretty deep. So there's a lot of, what do I want to say? There's a lot of earring in that little stem to have to worry about pulling out. So from a functionality standpoint, guys, I really like these earrings. The problem is they are sterling silver covered in 14 karat gold, I think. Yes. And again, they are very lightweight. They're very sort of petite and delicate. And they're $50, you guys. $50 for this little simple pair of hoop earrings. And I don't know if I can quite justify the price, but we will see. So let's talk just a little bit about what we're keeping, what we're returning, how the process works, and just do some highlights on the costs of all of these items. So let's do a quick recap of what we're keeping and what we're sending back. We are keeping the sleeveless fringe top from Wantable. It is $68. The gray chinos by Meritage are $78. The gray roll tab crew neck by Wantable is $48. The very, very comfy Articles of Society crop jeans are $59. Those are the 4 that we're keeping. The earrings are a maybe. What we're sending back is the coral Wantable top, which was $68. That was again because the cut was really weird and it was kind of tight. And then these wonderful little pants would be so cute if they were not skin tight, cannot breathe, couldn't stand longer than 5 minutes in them. Adriana ankle, and those ones are $98. So probably not a bad idea that those are going back. So guys, overall for me, Wantable was a cool experience. Like I said, there's a little mix of what you select and what you're surprised with. I really like the versatility of the clothes that I got, and I like how I can mix and match. Again, we talked about we can take this gray top, we can match it with the chinos if we want to. We can take the white top, we can match it with the chinos or with the jeans. The gold earrings, if you're watching my previous videos, I'm kind of a silver girl, so this is a little bit outside of my comfort zone. And it's a little pricey for just a pair of hoop earrings, so that's a maybe as we talked about. But again, it is still a piece that would go with all of these. We're definitely going to try Wantable again. Like I said, I'm going to do a longer list of likes and dislikes and then sort of be surprised. This is what they call the fashion edit, you guys. Wantable also has a fitness edit. And stay tuned because I've signed up for the fitness edit. It's going to be all kind of workout clothes, shoes, socks, that type of thing, sports bras. And that should be here in a couple weeks, so we will review that box once we get it. Again, guys, if you have not already hit that subscribe button, I hope you have as much fun as I am. I think we're seeing the community commenting and asking for things and enjoying it. Come on and be a part of our community. Hit subscribe and let me know what you think about all of the unboxings that we're doing. Also, please like and share this episode. Share it with your friends. I believe I'm going to track down a link that I'm going to put down below that's going to give you a discount if you want to try Wantable. So like and share it with all of your friends, and everybody can try a reduced price for the first Wantable subscription box. And guys, again, let me know your comments. You guys have been so awesome on all the previous ones we've been doing, sharing your likes or dislikes. And it just feels, I think I mentioned in a previous video, like I'm having like a clothing try-on session with all my girlfriends at the mall. So it's really fun for me, and I hope it is fun for you as well. Guys, until next time, this is Cindy at Supposedly Chic, and make it a good one.